It was the biggest sporting event of its time, a 1928 cross-country race with its halfway point in Claremore, Oklahoma. Schools and businesses shut down, and Oklahomans came out in droves to watch the runners race down Route 66. In the lead was a 20-year-old Cherokee farm boy from Foyle, Oklahoma, competing against marathoners, record holders, and professional runners from all over the world. The route of the Bunyan Derby, as the newspapers had dubbed it, stretched from Los Angeles Ascot Park to the windy city of Chicago. The runners would continue on to New York City and end the race in New York City's Madison Square Garden. When Andy reached Claremore, the largest town near his hometown of Foyle, he received a 22-gun salute from the cadets of the Oklahoma Military Academy and was greeted by Will Rogers on the halfway mark of the race, 1,650 miles in. Andy maintained his lead on and off for the rest of the race. On May 26, 1928, after 3,422.3 miles, running 573 hours, 4 minutes, and 34 seconds, over 84 days, in which he averaged 40 miles per day, 10 minutes per mile, and wore out 5 pairs of shoes, Andy Payne came in first place in the Transcontinental Foot Race, beating his nearest competitor by 15.5 hours.